Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to fix PayPal money pending. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having issues with payments or transactions inside PayPal here, and you're getting the pending notification when you go to your activity or with your transactions, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the thing with PayPal here, especially for newer accounts, sometimes PayPal would make or do some routine checkups, or in this case checks on certain transactions. Now usually if your account or someone's account is new inside PayPal, if they just newly created their account, they are treated as high risk. So typically if that's the case, PayPal may hold your payment around like 3 to 7 days. So if that's the case, you may just need to wait the whole duration here, and typically it will automatically resolve itself. But if that's not the case, and you've been active for quite a while now with people, or the recipient is active for quite a while now, well, there are other things that you may want to keep in mind. Now, when you make transactions, like for example, you link a card inside your PayPal account here and made a transaction via that card, well, in some cases, debit cards may take some time to make some transfers. Now, this totally depends on your bank or your card. Sometimes it takes about 3 to 7 days for the transaction to actually go through, because again, you're making the transaction from your bank account to PayPal, then PayPal to your recipient. So there's a whole middleman thing. So in some cases, it takes around a few days for the whole process to clear out. So if that's the case, you may need to wait out the whole thing. So again, 3 to 7 days. Now, if that's not the case and you are using like your PayPal balance here and you're sure that you've been active, or the recipient is or has been active, well, you may need to check with the actual recipient, or if you're the recipient, you may want to check the actual transaction. So typically you want to go to paypal.com, log in into your account. You want to go to activity. So by the way, this is for the recipient of whatever you requested. And inside your activity here, you want to go open up the actual transaction that you want to basically fix. And in here, you should see the option that says claim, or in this case, receive. So it depends on your account. Now, typically, if someone sends you money, or if you're receiving money on your PayPal account to let's just say you categorize this as a selling, or as a exchange, or not a family member sending money, well, typically PayPal will be a lot stricter here. So meaning you need to claim the actual transaction here in order for you to start using those funds. Now, you could also update your settings to automatically receive the payments here, but then again, just make sure to check your activity and basically claim the actual money. Now, if someone actually, if you didn't use, like what I said before, if you didn't use the family transaction or family support reason when sending the transaction, it may take a while for PayPal to process this, because it's a different type of transaction. So it's faster if you schedule, or if you mark this as someone you know, or a family member sending money to you. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.